Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Region channel. So friends, today I will talk about Asus 6 new gaming LCD monitor under Nitro VG0 series. So friend, Asus has announced 6 new LCD monitor module aimed at gaming enthusiasts and professional users, and the new lineup including Nitro VG0 series, KA2 series, EK1 series, and all of which utilize non-glossy in-panel switching panels to reduce glare and ensure consistent color accuracy across various viewing angles. So friend, the Nitro VG0 series comprise two model VG240YX1 BMIPX a 23.8-inch monitor and VG270X1 BMIIPX a 27-inch gaming monitor, and both monitor Full HD resolution at 200 Hz refresh rate, 0.5 millisecond response time, and 99% of sRGB color gamut, and support AMD FreeSync Premium technology. And for other model means KA2 series include the KA242YG0 BMIX a 23.8-inch monitor and another KA27 2G0 BMIX a 27-inch model, and these monitors are equipped with non-glossy IPS panel at 120 Hz refresh rate, 1 ms response time, and making them suitable for gaming and general use. And the EK1 series including EK251QG BMIX and EK251Q GBI, and both models feature a 24.5-inch non-glossy IPS panel at 120 Hz refresh rate, 1 ms response time, and ensuring smooth visual and quick responsiveness. And the cover 99% of sRGB color gamut and offer tilt adjustment -5 to 25 degree with VESA mount capabilities. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.